Okay, so the first activity for the first unit of this course was published earlier this week. Typically, we go through about 2 activities per week. Not all of them necessarily demand a lot of work, but typically there's a few activities associated with each activity, I should say. For the first activity, you can simply click on coursework. That takes you to all the units and activities. If you click on Unit 1, Activity 1, it'll come up with components of the Earth, and it walks you through everything from the hydrosphere, the atmosphere, and then introduces you to some key terms that will be used throughout this course. Know what sustainable development means, know what it means, what an ecological footprint, carrying capacity, and so on mean. Take a look at the slideshow for components of the Earth, and the diagrams for the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and again the components of the Earth. You're to participate in a discussion for Spaceship Earth discussion. So if for some reason the discussion link ever doesn't work for you, you can simply go to your home page and click on the menu items on the top. Communication, for example, takes you to all the discussions, and that's another way to access those very same discussions you're expected to access as part of this activity. At the end of all of that, you can participate in the diagnostic quiz. Okay, so if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me.